Hey guys, welcome to my nail tutorial. That's not like a real traditional nail tutorial. So first and foremost, I wanted to show you an example of the different kinds of sets that I like to buy. This one looks kind of empty, but that's because I've already gone through them. This is the one I'm going to use today. So I've already kind of sized out my nails and I'm going to show you how I do that and whatnot, but I wanted to show you guys which ones I choose to purchase. So I really like the Glam Fantasy, but this is brand new. The collection, I really like these ones in the Gel Fantasy, and the reason why is these ones come with no glue on the back of them, so I can use the best glue on these nails. So you can kind of see what kind of variety you can get. Let me just make sure the lighting catches these just right. This one's got a matte blue and these really cool geometric design. This one's got some glitter and some fun feathers on it. This one has got more glitter and different texture to it, or different, I guess it's iridescence and things like that. So you can find some really cool ones, and I find these ones to have the best durability, the best long wear, and they don't chip on the edges and they don't start to lose their color and things like that. So let me show you how I do my nails. So let's put these ones aside and let me show you guys how I start with my nail set. So first thing I usually do is I go into the nails and I figure out what size is gonna work for me. So this comes with these little sticker tabs. Do not use them. No, 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 no. So I go into this and I use the file inside of it and the little orange stick. So we're gonna press down our cuticles because that is super important for making these nails look nice for a longer period of time, because you wanna get the bottom of the new nail as close as you can to your cuticle, and just because it looks less grown out, you know? Okay, the next step is to pick out the size of nails that you are going to use. This? No, we do not use this glue. This glue sucks. All right, and this is the glue that I use. Now trust me, you want to use this stuff and not the stuff that comes in the package for two reasons. One, it dries a lot faster. I really enjoy that. You know, it's got its problems for drying really fast, but two, it also scores lower on the EWG scale. So on the EWG scale, it is less toxic. It's under a 3. I believe it's a 3. It might even be a 2 if I remember correctly. Anyway, and the lower the rating, the better I feel about a product when I can't live without it. I need to have my nails done because it drives me nuts to film with weird looking, nasty nails. So, must get this glue. The next thing I do is I find the ones that fit my nails best. Alright, so the trick with these are you want to make sure that they go all the way to the edges here on each side as you're trying to figure out if they fit just right. Do they cover your natural nail? Do they cover the sides? And trust me, you want this. When you pick one that's too big, it pops off really easily, and if you pick one that's too small, it just looks bad. So the best is to try to find one and then push it all the way down to your cuticle and then look around and make sure. You might have a little bit peeking through, right there, you see just a tiny little bit peeking through, but nobody will notice once it rests and it's glued on just right. Okay, one quick tip. I'm not sure if this is gonna show up on camera, but I'm gonna try. Okay, can you see on the end there? It's got a number 2. Yeah, there we go. Now I finally got it to show. Now you can tell the top by there's a rounded edge down at the cuticle and a more square edge on top. So you look for the number at the top. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I glue these sets on. I'm gonna try to make sure I get this all straight. There's a little bit of a trick to it, and you gotta follow the directions that are on the glue bottle. It says put a little bit on your nail. So I put a little bit on, just enough, just to squeeze a little bit out and just to make my nail wet. A little daub right in the middle. and then be very careful not to touch it because it will make your fingers stick together. And you go cuticle first. Make sure it's lined up. Cuticle first, and then press at the cuticle, and then eye roll up a little bit. Sometimes a little bit will come out, and I usually just wipe away as fast as I can. But be careful. But be careful, that'll make you stick to stuff. See that? The next thing I do is check to make sure my natural nail isn't like stuck somewhere. And then voila, we have a nail on. Oh. Okay, that's ready. Let's move on to the next ones. And this stuff dries so fast. It's like, holy cow. Alright. Bada bing. Bada boom. See? Isn't that so much fun? Let's do the other one.
Alright guys, this is the final look with my nails. If you want to check out something that's new that I just put on my nails, check out my Instagram and have some fun with your nails. Thanks guys!